AI is transforming education, but where do you start? At Fuuss, we make AI simple, effective, and personalized for every school, teacher, and student. Here is our offer and commitment. AI in education isn't just about new tools, it's about the right approach. We help schools create clear, practical AI implementation documents, from policies that align with regulations to guides that make AI easy to adopt. No complex jargon, just actionable steps to ensure a smooth and responsible AI transition. New technology can feel overwhelming. That's why we offer hands-on workshops and engaging presentations designed for teachers, students, and administrators at any skill level. We don't just explain AI, we show you how to make it work for you, step by step. With Fuuss, you're never alone. We provide ongoing support, ensuring AI isn't just another tool, but a real effective assistant in your daily work. No matter your experience level, we're here to make AI work for you, easily, effectively, and ethically. The schools of tomorrow are the ones that innovate today. With Fuuss, your school gains a competitive edge, better efficiency, reduced workload, and a smarter way to support both teachers and students. AI isn't the future, it's the present. Don't let your school fall behind. Visit our website www.softstudio.sk and discover how Fuuss can transform education for you.